Have you ever wanted to make a big purchase like a home or a car, but you found out that your credit score wasn't high enough? Today we're going to talk about how to improve your credit score and also put some money in your pocket at the same time. Everybody loves money, right? So we're going to try to put some in your pocket with these few tips. What's up everybody? My name is Trent Ward, also known as Trent the Agent. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty in the Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas area. I've used this method to improve my credit score to over 800, and I've also helped my friends and family improve their credit scores as well. Quick disclaimer before we get into the content. I am not a licensed financial advisor. For a more comprehensive plan, please seek out professional help. Okay, let's get into it. The best way to actually improve your credit and make you some money is very simple. It actually involves using your credit card. There's so many credit cards out there that provide benefits to people, but a common thing that I hear is that people don't want to use their credit card. So let's recap something about what a credit score is. A credit score is actually a trust score. If somebody lends you their money, they need to know how much they can trust you to pay them that money back. So that's why you want your credit score to be as high as possible so that people can trust you more. When you use your credit card and you pay it back, that increases your score because it lets somebody know that when I give you money, you'll actually give me the money back. Now, the problem people have is that they don't want to use the credit card because they think of it as a bad thing. That's very far from the case. So get your credit card and actually use it. The easiest way to do this, you can basically set this up to happen automatically. Like what I did is I started off using my credit card with bills that I have to pay automatically. Like you need electricity, correct? Like you're gonna pay that electricity bill no matter what. But most companies will allow you to pay them with a credit card and not charge you a fee. You have to take advantage of this, because most cashback reward cards will give you 1.5% to 2% on every purchase. Now, if your electricity bill is $300, guess what? You just made $6 for nothing. Now, if you have this on automatic payments, you literally get $6 every month for doing nothing. And to top it off, it improves your credit score. How can you not do this, right? If this is your first time visiting this channel, consider subscribing because I release videos like this on a regular basis. Things related to home buying process, the selling process, and investing tips as well. Also give me a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. It helps promote this for other people to find it through YouTube so they can find helpful content as well. One thing to be mindful of is your credit card utilization. Now you don't want this to be too high because this can negatively affect your credit score. So 30% or lower, that's kind of where you want to be on that spectrum. So for instance, if you have a $1,000 credit limit, you want to be at $300 or lower for your credit card utilization. So that utility bill of $300 would fit perfectly in this scenario. Now, if your credit card limit is a little bit lower, let's say $500, you want to do something $150 or lower every month, for instance, like a cell phone bill or something like that. So not only setting up these things to come out automatically saves you money, but putting it on autopilot takes away the stress of doing it on your own. You're just actually getting money coming to you every month for doing something that you were doing already. Think of it like this. You are losing money using your debit card. If you use your credit card, you can get up to 2% cash back on that credit card. So if you swiped your card for $1,000, when you could have used your credit card for $1,000, you just lost $20 just using a different card. Even if you want to pay the card off after making the purchase, do that. Don't lose the money and not improve your credit. That debit card is not helping improve your credit, and it's not helping you get to the goal that you want to get to after your credit improves. And even if you don't want to use a cashback rewards card, there are several types of rewards programs that you can use your cards for. For instance, if you're someone that spends a lot of money on gas, if you're someone that travels a lot, you can get a rewards card that's specifically for those situations. And one thing you can start noticing once you start using this method to improve your credit score is that your bank already has things built in place for when their clients start to improve their credit score and they find more confidence in them utilizing the credit, because their goal is they want you to spend money because they make money when you buy something with a credit card. So it's in their interest to give you a higher credit limit. So once they feel like they can give you a higher credit limit, they typically want to do that and can automatically bump your credit limit up. If you feel like your credit has improved, but your bank is not taking notice of that, you can request a credit limit increase. But be mindful that this may cause another hit to your credit, so weigh that appropriately. All right, before we get into the bonus content, I just want to give you a reminder to give this video a thumbs up if you found anything helpful or you think anybody else would find some of this content helpful. Without further ado, let's get into it. So, this has to be one of the simplest and easiest ways to improve your credit score. You really don't have to do anything but make a phone call, right? So what you can do is ask someone that you know, this typically is going to be a family or friend, very close friend, to put you on their credit card as an authorized user. And as they use their credit card, it will help improve your credit score. Now, you don't have to do anything for this, but it does require a relationship with somebody that has a good credit score and utilizes that credit card. So that's all for now. I hope you've enjoyed this content. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will talk to you later. Peace. All right. If you just join, I think that's it. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. Wrap.